guys, it's Patty. How are you? Welcome to MPAI Labs. I hope you're doing okay. We're going to talk about 11 Labs today. We're going to do a couple things that I'm going to show you. It's going to be like a short video. A lot of y'all have been asking for this. So yeah, let's do this. Okay. First of all, you're going to go to 11labs.io. You're going to sign in either with your Apple, your Google, or sign in with your email, or even this is SSO. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. Okay. Once you come here, voila, this is your home page here. It looks very overwhelming. Don't be, because we're going to go to text to speech. Look like they have a lot of new things going on over here. I don't want that. That's your notification. So under your picture here, see here, under your picture here. Yeah. This right here is going to give you, your total credits that you have. You can upgrade if you want to. There's a starter, and then I got the creator one. So I have like 100,000 plus credits. You can do your settings, subscription. You can always downgrade if you want to. So you always give feedback. I always do. All right. In the middle here, it looks like they're introducing image to video on mobile, which is cool. We're going to actually do image to video on, the actual PC itself here. But here's a thing. This platform, 11 Labs, used to be a little pricey, but I paid $22 for this actual creator one. There's a starter kit for like $5. So I am affiliate with them. Just let you know, there'll be a link below. So here you can do instant speech audio books, which we'll eventually play with. We're going to play with image to text. They got agents here. Music is amazing, and dub videos. Okay. It's going to give you like the latest in the library. They did change out, I want to say 11 voices. Okay. Because I got an email regarding that. You can clone your voice here. I haven't done it yet. So that's basically from your home. Okay. Once again, we're going to go to the playground. Okay. We're going to do text to speech. Also, there's different sound effects here, guys. Play with this. Okay. If you're looking for any type of sound effects, type it in, just hit create. Okay. The music is amazing, by the way. This is their new thing. They have a different genres, okay? Different moods, different themes. Play with it. Just tell 11 Lab exactly what you want. The credits a little high. It's 1591 credits. Just let you know. And then we're gonna play with the image here, image to video, okay? And they do have the Banana 2 here. So we're going to try. They have a start frame, end frame. You can toggle from image to video. Okay. They have different models here. Okay. So you can pick and choose different models. You can do realistic. They have lip singing. It's syncing, not singing, lip syncing. Sorry about that. You can upscale. You can edit. You can audio fast, all that stuff. Okay. You have different types of aspects here, especially for video. There's only two, for YouTube and then the reels or the shorts. Okay. Imaging is a little bit different. If you toggle here, imaging, you have a whole bunch. Just figure out which, social media platform you're going to go to and run with it. And then here, you have, the resolution, and then you have, numbers of generation that you can do. So I'm going to go to my history because I'm going to show you some stuff. Okay. So this is the lip sync right here. And I did not use her, even though she looks beautiful with no sound, but the sound, she kind of just paused at a specific place, and I didn't like that. So therefore I did not use this, but I'm going to show you. If you want to edit, just hit edit, or extend, or just open the studio.
Welcome to Index AI, the heart of everything we create, where intelligence meets imagination and every idea becomes something greater. Index AI, built with purpose, powered by vision.
Okay, lip syncing is beautiful, but just the way she paused was not um, realistic. Okay, this one right here, I actually use this for a social media K-pop group that we were asked to promote. So she's very friendly. The voice was very nice, and looked like on the left hand side I did a 720 p, and I used a different a Creatify Aurora was the actual platform. So here we go.
All Hours are back. New mini album, No Doubt, dropping March 16th.
She's very beautiful. It's very easy. It's literally like 8 seconds, and they loved it. Okay, and the lip sync was nice. This one we use Glen Pixel, which is our imaging. Here with our stunning creating your image. She's right here, and it's for free. Just let you know. So you can come here and just create beautiful images on glenpixel.io. Anyways, I uploaded her, okay, and I gave her a visual, and I used the model, the VO3, and I did it by a 9x16, so I can use this as part of maybe a perfume campaign, or I can use this on my fake energy drink that I created as a commercial. We'll see. All right, so this is an actual image that we're going to create. Okay, I think I'm going to start from the beginning. Let's see. So all right, so we're going to create an actual image here. Okay, so we're going to come down here. We're going to create an image here. And no, I want an actual image. You can upload an image reference if you want to. I don't want to do that. So we're going to do this image prompt. Paste here. It's going to be a young Asian female. She's facing forward into the camera, full front face, direct with eye contact. She has pink hair, styled with a messy bun, stranded falling. Let's see how this goes. I'm going to use their Nano Banana 2. The ratio, I'm going to use a 16:9, which is YouTube. And we can change the generation. Let's do... just do 2. So you can do 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do 2 right now. And then I have the generate button. Okay, while this is generating, we can actually come here and create a video while we wait for that. Okay, so I have my 4 image that I created in here. So you can edit, change the color, change maybe, the position of he's standing, can change the background. We're going to do a video, okay? And the video is going to be this right here. I see that the image is done, which is beautiful. But this one right here, we're going to do an image where it's going to do a slow zoom in. Front face, maintain eye contact. We're going to be looking at each other with a smooth, steady motion, no head turning at all. But I do want a little smirk. So we're going to do slight smirk. So, well, that's generating. Let's come to our young Asian female. This is gorgeous. Look how well that is. Oh, I forgot I have added tattoos. Look, messy bun. She's facing forward. Very beautiful. I like that one. We could create it into an image. It is an image. We could create it into a video if I can read. Hello. And then here's a different one. gorgeous, by the way, like that. Okay. Look at those freckles. How beautiful is that? Go ElevenLabs. All right. So while this is still generating, let me go back to. Okay, look at that. That's pretty well. I like that. And it was done by VO3, very fast. Now I could use the lip sync. Excuse me. But I'm not going to do in that one. We're going to keep the lip sync for the next time we do that. But let's create a let's create a video. Here we go. Come down here. We notice they brought this image here. Now it's toggle from image to video, and I've already have my prompt all together, and it's going to be a slow, subtle push in. That means it's going to go in. Subject frontal face, holding direct eye contact, slight natural head sway as if it's listening to music, smooth cinematic motion. Okay, so we're going to do that right there. This one right here, I wanted a smirk. I didn't really want him to speak, but it's still fine. I could go in and tweak or edit this, but I am not going to. I want to see how fast, this is ElevenLabs is, taking this video. And I am using the VO3. You can see that on the left-hand side right here. And it looked like this one failed. Okay, no problem. Let's see how this is going to be. Sometimes that happens, with these AIs. And hopefully, yep, this one is not bad. Here we go. Very nice. I like that. Very beautiful. So once again, remember, AI is a tool. It's going to fail, but this came out perfect. So, but still beautiful images. If you don't like the way, ElevenLabs is actually creating the video, you can actually download it here if you want to. Download it here. My bad. And then on this side, you can upscale it. You can lip sync, recreate, or just delete, with your download, you can take it to another video generator and then, give it the same prompt. But I wanted to show you how easy ElevenLabs is to, to use. Once again, we went to image and video, okay? And you can actually do text to video. I'm actually going to save that for next time. I just want to do a short, brief intro to ElevenLabs. Oh my goodness, the image to video to see how easy that is. Okay. Remember, you can always go to my Stand store. Let me plug this. Go here. It's free. You can get the free prompt. Just go in there, sign up. It's at Matsupati. And don't forget, once again, guys, to basically join the MP AI Labs. We have 11,700 members. Yay! And don't forget one more thing to come here. Glen Pixel, you get 10 credits a day for free. And you can generate, anything you want. And it actually shows exactly, how it works. So follow that direction. Once again, this is all free platform that we're giving you, okay? Except ElevenLabs, that's not free, okay? Once again, that is a paid subscription, but Glen Pixel is free. All right, guys, remember, stay kind, hydrate, and I'll talk to you later. Ja, what today?